In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header template in Odoo website. If you want to give your website a fresh new look without rebuilding the whole page, changing the header template is a quick and effective way to do it. The header is one of the first things visitors see, so updating its style can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your site. To get started, open Odoo and click on the Website app. This will take you to your website editor area, where you can make visual changes directly on the page. Once you're inside the website app, go to the page where you want to update the header. Next, click Edit in the top right corner of the screen. This puts the page into editing mode and allows you to select different elements on the page. When editing mode is active, you'll be able to click directly on sections like text, images, and in this case, the header. Now click on the header itself to select it. Make sure you're clicking the actual header area at the top of the page. Once it's selected, Odoo will recognize that you want to edit that specific section. After selecting the header, look over to the right-hand pane. This panel should automatically switch to the Style tab, which shows the properties for the element you currently have selected. Since the header is selected, the options you see here will apply specifically to the header section. In that right side panel, find the Template drop-down. This is where Odoo lets you switch between different built-in header designs. Click the drop-down to view the available template options. Then simply select the template you want to apply. As you go through the options, pay attention to how each one changes the layout and style of your header. Some templates may look more minimal, while others may include a more structured navigation style. Choose the one that best fits the design of your website. Once you find a header template you like, click Save to keep the changes. Saving is important so your new header design is applied and visible on the live page. And that's it. You've successfully changed the header template in Odoo website. If you're customizing your site, this is one of the easiest ways to improve its look and make the top of your page feel more polished and professional.